celý víkend fakt jenom namykáš.
Jo, no to padne potom. No.
Parkujeme na nejvyšším. Tak, právě jsme odevzdali naše kufry a teď jdeme tady na kontrolu. Jaké jsou vaše pocity? Radši žádné.
Hlásila palubnímu personálu. Dámy a pánové, vítejte na letišti Charles de Gaulle v Paříži. Místní čas je 14 hodin a 40 minut a venkovní teplota 13 stupňů Celsia. Znamená omezení pro používání elektronických přístrojů, telefonů, zavazadlové schránky oddělíte o baterky. Před nastavením se ujistěte, že máte všechna svá klíčová zavazadla z instrukce.
Kuk, veď nás do Paříže. Jsme tady.
Už nebudíme.
Šíleně.
La cornisa corto no es, pero... Arriba, sí.
Teď začíná zase pršet.
Tu m'avais dit dès ma plus tendre enfance, bien mal acquis ne profite jamais. En grandissant au fil de l'existence, j'ai vu que ce n'était pas toujours vrai. Papa, 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 t'es plus dans le coup, papa. Papa, 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 t'es plus dans le coup, papa. Tu m'avais dit mon enfance sur la terre, elle te fait, tu seras récompensé. Moi j'ai pété ta voiture à Jean-Pierre, il m'a rappelé en pièces détachées. Papa, papa.
Des yeux qui font baisser les miens, un rire qui se perd sous sa bouche. Voilà le portrait sans retour de l'amour que j'appartiens. Quand il me prend dans ses bras, qu'il me parle tout bas, je vois la vie en rose. Il me dit des mots d'amour, des mots de tous les jours, et ça me fait quelque chose.
Tak čo, no, co říkáš? Dobrý, pecka.
To można bez stożek. No, specjalnie prosimy się na srać. To była ta paczka prawna.
Šťastný nový rok, no. Šťastný nový rok. Je dobrý.
Jo, je dobrý.
O půlnoci tady v metru. Snad vylezeme tady přes ty brány. Utíkáme. Sorte, hledej sorte.
Tam zasvítili automaty.
A vláček nás dovezl. Super. Přelezem plot. Okay, I was making fun that we could climb over the fence. And this is the part where all problems started. First of all, we were searching for the right exit. We were directing away from the metro station. When we found the right exit, unfortunately, the gate was closed. There wasn't anyone who could help us. We were hopeless, so we turned out and exit at the wrong exit on the other side to our hotel. As you can see here on the map, we exit at the left side on Rare Exposition Paris North, and we wanted to go to the right side down to the Parc des Expos and down where was our hotel. And the biggest problem was that we told ourselves that we can just go across the railway everywhere where we want, but there wasn't any option. If you would like to go here in Czech Republic across every railway, it's no problem. Everywhere you can free to go. But here were very big fences and you couldn't climb it, and everywhere were cameras and it's illegal, and so this option was cancelled. Another option was going down to the underground pathway tunnel for pedestrians, but we found out that there were some junkies or homeless people and they were really aggressive and they were shouting at us from far away, come here, ha! And we were fucking scared that they could kill us or they could do something bad to us. And there were some babies and they were screaming, and it was around 1 a.m. in the night. It was crazy, we were scared. So this option was also cancelled. So another option was go around 5 kilometers by foot, walking in the night in Paris, dangerous city, dangerous neighborhood, and go. There was possibility to across the highway where cars are driving so fast they could kill us. It was too dangerous that we thought to ourselves that it's also very dangerous and impossible. So this option was also cancelled. So while we were thinking outside on the platform, there were some junkies which were really drugged and drunk. We got scared, so we start moving. So while we were moving a little bit, we ordered a taxi and we called to our hotel that we need help to get to the hotel. There is no option. He told us to go back to the gate and call and click on the button and say from which our hotel we are, and they will open the gate. We explained him that we are very scared, that there are dangerous people, homeless people, and we don't want to go back. He told us about the underground path. We also said him that there are dangerous people and we got scared. So we wanted to call the taxi from the hotel, and he told us that it's impossible, that nobody will come and pick up us because we are too near to the hotel. Yes, we were very near to the hotel by car, but by walk it was very far away. So we were hopeless again and start walking somewhere north. I saw the bridge that this might be an opportunity to cross the stupid railway. We were all really hopeless, but it was our last chance. So we were heading to the bridge, and then we got very hysteric because we saw a few people which were running directly to us, and we told ourselves, okay, they're gonna kill us. There were some women and they were running away from some men, and I thought, okay, they are going to rape them. No, they didn't. They were normal people just jogging in the middle of the night. So anyway, we were standing there, then they moved some other direction and we were calm but scared. Then again about group of 4 people were heading directly to us. Again we got really scared, but some of our members said that we shouldn't be scared, that it's not normal behavior. So we waited and we saw the people that they have got bags on a wheels. So they must be tourists. So we asked them where are they going, and they had exactly the same problem as we, that they wanted to go to the hotel but the gate was closed. So the father of the family told us that the only option he found is to go walking across the bridge. So we were so happy that if we could join them. So we joined them and we went all together, and we were freaking happy that we are not alone again. We were so happy, and this is some shots from our walk with them. But wait, this isn't over. What happened next in the night?
Máš je voláko tak anglicky dobře.
Už děláš vlog?
Jo. A tady nějaká brána.
Ne.
Lezem tam?
Tady.
Rapist vlog.
Right now you can see that we entered to some gate of the park of the expositions, and there were security people, and we told them that there was a gate, blah blah blah, and they got really angry, and they were angry at us that we didn't use the gate. So they were talking in French, and we were very happy that we cannot communicate with them, that the father of the other family explained them everything in French. So maybe if we got there alone, maybe we could have some problem. It was really strange in Paris, like this. And they were talking around 5 minutes to each other, which was a very long time. So after a long conversation, they finally let us go to the park, where the hotel is located.
A na nás to dětská zvala, ale já jsem si byl teď si řekl, kvůli tomu, že to mám nejde, nebo ne. Ale jako...
Půjdeme hledat baton. Jenom jestli to tam schválně je.
Ano, teď teda půl hledat baton, ale pokud budu muset pepřák a taser, něm nejdu.
Ne, zase to.
Ale tak jako ne, dokud prostě hlavně nestojí takových lidí 20, jaká nejsou. Ale potom už ne. Mě prostě nevadí, když prostě potkám někoho takového u nás, jakože když je to situace dělá. Ale jak jde mi to začít svojí palit poprvé.
Pak zítra řekneš jenom, co jsi všechno zažila.
Aha, kvůli ním, že? So we happily arrived at the hotel, explained something to them, and he said just okay. And we went finally sleeping around 2 a.m. And what happened? The night wasn't calm as it looked. Around 3 a.m. we start hearing this noise in the main hall in front of our room. So this was the sound of an security alarm, emergency sound, and we didn't know what to do. I thought there is a group of some terrorists because there were some attacks before we went there. So in Paris there is something happening very often. So we texted our friends and they told us that our friend went downstairs to the reception and the guy told him that he can go back to his room, that somebody just was smoking. So after some big stress, we had another stress, then we got some relief as we found out that it was somebody just smoking, so we went to bed, finally sleeping. But something bad happened again after 30 minutes, nearly 4 a.m.
Vůbec nevíme proč. Vítek prej volal na recepci a že to byl planej poplach. Myslím, že teďka slyším Vítka, jak říká, že nemůže spát.
So when we woke up, we read some reviews that if it's normal, and we found out that we were not the only victims, that this happened also to some other people. So this wasn't only to us, but also to our people. They were having some problem with the alarm during the night. These people wrote that they got woke up at 4 a.m. The hotel was full of people and there was fake alarm also. These people got more unlucky because they were evacuated outside of the hotel during the night. And after they evacuated them, they told them that it was false alarm. And these people were exactly our example. They got woken up at 3 a.m. Everyone was in pyjama in the reception and they told him that it was a smoker. And after 30 minutes again, the alarm was again. So they didn't sleep well. So we woke up and we went to Paris Manga sci-fi show, and you can see the whole vlog from our Paris Manga right here on YouTube. Just type Nescafe X Paris. This was our dinner by Uber. And this is the last day. We are leaving.
No ano, určitě. Tam... Podívejte, už jsme zbalení skoro. A taky. No a podívejte, jak je hezky venku. Už zrovna když odjíždíme, je to pěkný, pan tam jde. To pracuje, zahrádkáři, tam se seká trávník. No paráda. A my jedeme pryč.
To
Mám už jednu flašku.
není pod postelí.
Dobrý. Hejde, jak to? Pojď, Elno, ukaž, jak projdeš. Co? A vezmeš lístek a jdeš. Kárno. Už je hotový. Total to pay, choose your payment. To není zaplacený. Čekáme na jídlo, tady už se jí. Tak už nám to donesli, dívej se na to. Co to máš, Alena?
Já rybičku mám.
Tak to jo, já myslel, že burgera. Špinavá řeka. No.
Dámy a pánové, vítám vás na letišti Václava Času a venkovní teplota je 5 stupňů Celsia. Před vystoupením se ujistěte, že máte...
Tak co, Šárko? Šárko, co? První zvládnutý let?
V pohodě. Vína, fajn.
To víno bylo skvělý náhodou, to nepiju víno.
Tak co máme?
Máme do vodky.
Aha.